Hi, welcome to another 4AC video. In this video, we want to look at example 2.2a, which is found in your lecture notes. This question reads, the voltage across a resistor is given by a sinusoidal waveform. VRT is 80 sine 337t dash minus 80 degrees. And we want to find the current expression if the resistance is 5 ohm, and we want to sketch the curves for the voltage across the resistors and the current through the resistors. So the first thing I would do is to draw out a circuit that I will imagine is what is happening. So I have a resistor and it's being supplied with an AC voltage. So the voltage across the resistors is given there as a waveform, and we want to know what's the current that is flowing through this resistor. Okay, and the resistor's value is 5 ohm. So if we were to compare the waveform, the typical standard waveform, Vt is V peak or V maximum, in this case sine omega t plus a phase shift. You notice that if I were to compare these two, the V maximum is 80 volt. Okay, and since I know the resistance of the resistor given is 5 ohm, using Ohm's law, I can calculate Vm over R is 80 over R, that gives me, or 80 over 5 amps, that gives me 16 amps. Since we know that the current and the voltage through a resistor is in phase, we then can formulate the current waveform to be such. What does that mean? In other words, I'm using the standard waveform again. Current is given by I max sine omega t plus the same angle, since there is no change in the the frequency. So if I were to compare it, Im is what I calculated, so it's 16 sine omega t is still the same as the voltage angular velocity, so still the same, and the angle is a phase shift of 80 degrees. So that's how I get this answer. Now I want to finish the waveform. Now there are two waveforms given in your notes, so which one should be voltage? Now usually I would use the first one as voltage, so I say Vt with a maximum value of 80 volt. And It is the second waveform, which is this one, It. It has a maximum value of 16 amps. Notice that one cycle waveform starts from 80 degrees, so this is the period T. Right, starting at the phase shift of 80 degrees. Okay, that's all for example 2.2a. I hope you learned something from this video. Bye bye.